In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Blogspot blog eligible for Google AdSense. First, before you apply, make sure your blog and account meet the universal criteria AdSense looks for. This means your site should provide original, valuable content and be easy to navigate. Aim for clear menus, working links, and essential pages like About, Contact, and a privacy policy. Publish a reasonable number of well-written posts so reviewers can understand your niche and quality. Avoid thin or duplicate content and make sure your blog is publicly accessible without login walls. Keep your layout mobile friendly and fast. Simple themes often perform best and reduce policy issues. Next, check the foundational requirements around your age, ownership, content policy, and location. You must be old enough to manage payments legally, and you should own the rights to everything you publish, including images and media. Your content must follow AdSense policies. No prohibited or copyrighted material used without permission. Also confirm that AdSense supports your country or region and that you can receive payments there. If you blog on a Blogspot subdomain, that's fine. A custom domain isn't mandatory, but consistency and quality are. When you're ready, sign into Blogger and select the blog you want to monetize. Double check that this is the correct site, that it's set to public, and that HTTPS is enabled. If you use a custom domain, ensure it's properly connected and resolves without errors. From your Blogger dashboard, open the Earnings tab in the left-hand menu. If you don't see it, your blog may not yet be eligible based on its current content or settings. Continue improving your posts and site organization, then check back later. Inside Earnings, choose Create AdSense Account or Connect AdSense. If you already have an AdSense account, connect that one. AdSense generally allows only one account per person. Make sure you're using the Google account you want linked long-term. Follow the prompts to link your Google account and complete the AdSense form with accurate payment details. Enter your legal name exactly as it appears on your bank records and use a real, complete address where you can receive mail since verification may be required later. Provide any requested tax information, select the correct country and time zone, and review everything carefully before submitting. With Blogger, the ad code placement is handled for you, so you typically won't need to paste code manually. Finally, wait for the review. This usually takes a few days, but it can extend to 2 to 4 weeks. During this time, avoid major design overhauls, keep your content accessible, and continue publishing helpful posts. If you receive feedback, address it and reapply from the Earnings tab. Once approved, you'll be ready to monetize your Blogspot blog with AdSense.